Over 5 million people in Beijing have already received COVID-19 vaccines as of Tuesday. Of these, 2.6 million have been administered 2 doses. Vaccines for the general public are free of charge. Residents aged between 18 and 59 simply register for their shot by scanning a QR code. Their communities then arrange the vaccination for them.
This vaccination site has been put into operation since January 9th. About 2,000 people have been vaccinated every day. There are 6 such temporary vaccination sites in our district, and it's estimated we can complete the inoculation for 400,000 residents living here by the end of April.
People aged above 60 haven't been included in the mass vaccination program just yet, but the Beijing CDC says it has inoculated some seniors, such as those who need to be vaccinated for special reasons. And it says it will vaccinate more seniors in the near future in accordance with China's epidemic control measures.
That's such relieving news. I've been vaccinated, but my parents haven't. In my eyes, the inoculation for my parents and my child are more important than for me.
I heard the news yesterday that children and the elderly can also get inoculated in future due to the progress in vaccine research. I'm happy to hear that. They also have contact with a lot of people in daily life.
Before inoculating people, doctors on each vaccination site ask about the recipient's health status to assess whether or not they can be vaccinated. One doctor says some seniors may be worried about potential adverse effects from the vaccine, so it's important for medical workers to impart clear explanations to them when the mass vaccination for seniors begins.
Elderly people might have more chronic diseases, and some of them might feel more anxious to receive the vaccines. So it's also very necessary for medical workers to comfort them in addition to asking about their health conditions.
Beijing has already completed COVID-19 inoculations for 9 key groups at a higher risk of infection. This includes cold chain workers, public transportation drivers, and personnel working or studying overseas. The Beijing CDC says the next step will also include vaccinations for people under the age of 18 in accordance with research and results from follow-up clinical trials. Wang Yue, CGTN, Beijing.